hope nasa mabuting kalagayan ng lahat. Kagaya ko. Thanks God. This is Chicken Pastel Pasta. Napakasarap na Chicken Pastel Pasta na magugustuhan ng buong family mo. Tara, lutuin natin ang Chicken Pastel Pasta. The best recipe. These are what we need for our Chicken Pastel Pasta. Of course, our chicken breast and our spices, which are garlic powder, paprika powder, salt, and powdered pepper. We need butter, soy sauce, and oyster sauce. Of course, to saute, we need the onions and the garlic. Our vegetables, we need bell pepper, mushrooms, corn kernel, carrots, and potatoes. Our dairies, we need evaporated milk, cream, cooking cream, and a bar of our cheese. And of course, we will also have to put sausages. Since we are cooking chicken pastel pasta, we need our pasta. Okay, so these are our recipe for our chicken pastel pasta. First, we will prepare our chicken breast. We will cut our chicken breast into bite-sized cubes. As much as possible, we will cut our chicken breast in the same sizes. For our chicken pastel pasta, as much as possible, we will slice or we will be cutting all our ingredients in almost same sizes. Next is to marinate our chicken cubes. We will marinate our chicken cubes for at least an hour to give more taste to our meat. Okay? We will add our garlic powder, our paprika powder, our black pepper powder, and a little bit of salt. Mix these spices to our chicken cubes and marinate it for at least 30 minutes to 1 hour. This will give us a more tasty chicken pastel. Set aside to marinate it for 30 minutes while we will be preparing for our other ingredients. While marinating our chicken breast, we will now prepare our pasta. We will be using a fettuccine for our chicken pastel pasta. You can also use other kinds of pasta. It depends with your choice. Okay? We will be cooking our pasta as per the cooking instruction. Never overcook your pasta. Now that our chicken cubes are ready, we will now start cooking our chicken pastel. In our pan, we will now add our butter. First, we shall fry our chicken cubes for a while. Okay, let's fry our chicken cubes for at least a minute. Fry it to our butter. Flip the chicken cubes so both sides will be properly cooked. But remember, do not overcook the chicken so it will still be tender. Now, after frying the chicken cubes, let us remove from the pan and set aside. In the same pan, we will be sauteing our remaining ingredients, starting with our onions. Okay. Start with our onions, next with our garlic, and as soon as the onion and the garlic emits this wonderful aroma, we will start adding our remaining ingredients, starting with our potato. Let's add our potato and saute it. Saute it for at least 30 seconds. Okay? Because the potato is the hardest thing from all our vegetables. The next one is the carrots. Add the carrots and saute it for also another 30 seconds. Next is our corn kernels. Look at the color of our vegetables. Pastel colors, right? Okay, mix all together, and let us also now add our mushrooms, our sliced button mushrooms. Okay. Add the sliced button mushrooms and then mix all together. This time, we will add our soy sauce, a little bit of soy sauce to give taste to our vegetables, and also a little bit of our oyster sauce as well. This will give a very nice taste to our vegetables. Mix all together very well. And now, we will add our bell peppers, our capsicums. Look at the color of our bell peppers, so nice. Our vegetables, so colorful, these pastel colors. Okay, and this time, we will add our chicken cubes. Add to our vegetables and mix. All together. And simmer for a while. Let's add a chicken cubes to give more taste to our chicken pastel. And also add our sausages. Color. Okay, let us simmer this for at least a minute. Okay, and after a minute, we will now add our dairies. Smells so good. Okay, starting with our evaporated milk. Let's add our evaporated milk. Also, we will add our cooking cream to make our chicken pastel creamy, perfectly creamy. Mix all together and let it simmer. Remember, this will be in low fire, so not to overcook our chicken pastel. As soon as this boils, we will now add our grated cheese. Wow! Look at our chicken pastel pan. now. Smells so good. Looks so creamy. And let it simmer for a while. The chicken pastel is ready as soon as this starts to simmer. Look at our chicken pastel. So perfectly creamy and delicious. Here's our pasta and our delicious creamy chicken pastel. A perfect combination for our palates. I hope you like it. God bless everyone.